Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to create component bar chart or stacked bar chart. So, in this bar chart, there are multiple variables as we have taken here two variables, variable A and variable B. So, first of all, we will select the column name and then with control button, we will select column A and then column B one by one, and then we will go in insert tab and click on column, and here you can see all chart type. So from here you will select the stack column and click on OK, and here you can see the component bar chart is created. Now if you want to show value of that, right click on this and add data labels, and here you can see the values are added to the lower blue or A column, and then also click on B and right click on this and add data label, and now you can see the values are added to both A and B variable. So this is how you can create component bar chart in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.